Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 86, and in this quick tip I'm going to be showing how to develop a radar screen that allows you to enter two values, a top value of a particular stock, a bottom value, and what it does is, depending on the last value of the price, if that value is above the top value, then you'll see sell in a dark red with the dark red background. If it is below the bottom value, then you'll see the buy in a dark green value background. And then a further feature is that there is a value called near, which is an input as our top and bottom, and if the price is within that value, or if it is within the range from the top value to the value top value minus near, then you will see the cell with a light red background, or in fact that's a user input. Similarly, if the price is above the near value from the bottom value, then you'll see the buy in a light green, or in fact again a user input value. So let me just first of all show you the inputs. So the inputs are, we enter the top value 65, we enter the bottom value, and then we enter the near value. So if I were to change that to maybe make it bigger, you'll see that's now $1 away, and you'll see also that will appear in this column here. And then we can actually change the colors, so we could change the green to cyan, for instance, and the red to magenta, like so. And you'll see now that that buy is being, the background color is cyan. You'll also see that the near value has been changed in that column there. So super simple radar screen program. And let me just show you through the code, which is available to Gold Pass members, although I think it probably wouldn't take you very long to type this in. The inputs, top, bottom, and near, we've already seen. And then we've got these further two inputs, the SIGBACK buy and the SIGBACK sell, which are user inputs that you can use for color. And then we're plotting the top, the bottom, and the near. That's simple. The plot 4 is going to be the value of buy or sell. We're plotting that in white, and we're going to change the background color. So let me just show you the inequality. What we're saying, if last and last, if we right click that definition of last, that is quote field which represents the price of the last completed trade. So if last is greater than top, then we're going to set, we're going to plot 4, we're going to put in sell, and we're going to set the plot background color to dark red. And else if last is less than the bottom value, then we're going to plot 4, we're going to say buy, and we're going to set the background color to dark green. Now the other two, it's slightly more complicated, but not very much. So if last is less than the bottom plus near, then we're going to set the background color. We're going to plot buy. We're going to set the plot background color to SIGBACK buy, which, as you may recall, is a user input. And similarly, if last is greater than top minus near, then we're going to set the background color to SIGBACK sell. And if this is updated on a tick by tick basis, then those changes will occur instantaneously. So if we go to the chart and we double click on one of the rows and go to general, you'll see you've got the opportunity to say update value in Trabar. Okay, so there's the study. Very straightforward, very simple. Hopefully that might be useful for you. If you're interested in TradeStation EasyLanguage, then please subscribe to this video channel, and also go to markplex.com and join the email list. Thank you very much.